Views 1.2 is optimized for sliders. We've completely rewritten the transition effects between slides, making slides look smooth and natural. Here's an example from our magazine site built on Bootstrap. So now you can see that slides transition quickly and conveniently. Let's look at another slider that we have here. Here's our editor's choice slider. So in this slider you can see that we're actually displaying 3 posts in each slide. The posts include an image, some text when it's a featured image, which comes from a custom field, title with a link, date, and some dummy text. And when we transition, all the slides transition together. All the posts in the slide transition together. Now the nice thing we think about making slides with views is that you can control everything that goes into each slide. So in this case, for instance, we set the pagination to load 3 items at a time, and on each page we show the 3 slides that go into that page. Another thing that's completely unique about views sliders is the way they're being loaded. Other sliders load everything together into the browser and then move between item to item using JavaScript. View sliders work differently. They use the pagination feature, so on every load only what's needed gets displayed. This means that images from the server are loaded very efficiently. Only the required data is loaded, so the first page loads very fast. Let's look at an example here. So we update the page, and you can see everything displays in a flash. Now what happens now in the background is that the view loads in the background the next page. So if we transition, the next page is already there and the previous page is cached. So the transition works very smoothly and very quickly, but all of this is loaded on demand. So we don't, if we have a slider that loads dozens of pages, we would only load as much images as needed by viewers. Let's just have one last look at the different slider options that we have. So we've created another reference site with different slider effects. This one, for instance, loads WooCommerce products, and here we've set the transition to be horizontally. And it's the same story. On every slide transition, we would load the next page, the page that comes after this. We don't load the previous page because it's already loaded. And then when we transition pages, we can see that the pages load very quickly. So thanks for watching this, and I hope that you enjoy Views 1.2.2.